Welcome to Badgehurst Training. This series is part of our Animal Care series.
Before we do any tasks with working with animals, we need to think about our PPE, which is our personal protective equipment, which consists of mainly gloves and apron. So let's put these on. Okay. Come to the front of your body and then just tie at the back. And we'll have our gloves. We're going to clean Alfie's ears, and to do that we're going to use some of this ear cleaner. And we'll just hold his ear flap up, gently insert the nozzle, squeeze a small amount of the ear cleaner in. Good boy. And then we massage it here. This is because they've got a vertical ear canal and a horizontal ear canal. We want to make sure that it gets down the whole canal. There's a good boy, darling. Then we just take a piece of cotton wool and just wipe away the excess. That's it, and then we'll just let go and let him have a little shake. Oh no, there's not a shake. Oh, there we go. There we are. Once he's had his shake, we'll just wipe away the rest that he's just shaking out there. Oh, good boy. And again, make sure he's all nice and clean. Then we do the other one. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to do the other way, exactly the same as before. Good boy. Good boy, Alfie. Good boy. There we go. So it's very important that you check their ears every day, make sure there's no sign of any discharge or that they smell funny as well, because that can also be a sign of infection. And if you do suspect that they've got an infection or something wrong with their ears, that you take them to the vets as soon as possible to get some treatment. Go Alfie, you can have a little shake. Have a little shake? Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Is that it? Oh, there we are. Yeah. Good boy. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to clean Alfie's eyes, just with a piece of cotton wool just dampened with water. You start at the inside edge, and work your way to the outside, and then again. There's no discharge from his eyes at the moment, so that was quite easy, but if there was some discharge you just have to keep wiping away from the middle of the face until you remove all the discharge. While you're doing that, you're just looking to make sure that the eyes are clear, there's nothing stuck in the eye. You can see his eyes are nice and clear here. And obviously you need to do this as often as necessary to remove any discharge that is coming from. It's important that when you're cleaning their eyes that you don't use the same bit of cotton wool from one eye to the other, because if there is an infection in one eye then you might spread that across to the other eye, so just use separate pieces of cotton wool for each eye. Just going to demonstrate how to clean Alfie's teeth. So we've got some dog toothpaste. It's important that you don't use human toothpaste because it can be toxic to them and they don't like the minty taste. So this is poultry flavour. Just put a small amount of toothpaste onto the head of the toothbrush, and then we'll just pull his top lip up, start on his canine. Good boy. Good boy. And just work in a circular motion, just gently scrubbing, right up to their gums as well, as if you were doing your own teeth. Good boy. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. And the toothbrush that we're using is angled the opposite direction to how a human toothbrush would be, so that it enables you to brush from the outside of the mouth. Good boy. Good boy, Alfie. Good lad. Well done. Oh, I think we need to put a toothbrush on there. You've licked that all off, haven't you? Good boy. Oh yeah. Good boy. That's it. Just let him have a little rest. Good boy. Okay, you can see he's drooling there, hypersalivating. That's normal because the toothpaste tastes of chicken, so it's stimulating all his taste buds. Good boy. Good boy. It's going to produce lots of saliva while you're doing it. There you go. He's a good boy, darling. Okay, that's it. Have a little shake. Good boy. Right, that's him done. This should be done ideally once a day, but at least once a week, depending on how well he'll tolerate it. And it will just stop him getting dental problems and needing to have an anaesthetic in order to have teeth removed and to have other procedures carried out on his teeth. So it's a good preventative thing to do. We're going to demonstrate how to empty a dog's anal glands. These little glands are meant to empty as the dog defecates, but they don't always empty, sometimes they get a little bit impacted. The classic symptom of a dog with anal gland impaction is that they'll scoot along the floor on their bottoms, dragging the bottoms, and so sometimes it's necessary to empty them. What you do is to make sure that you're wearing gloves, very important, and then to apply lubricant to your fingers. Okay, so just apply a small amount of lubricant to my fingers. Big wad of tissue to catch the anal glands and just lift the tail.
Good girl.
Just pop the finger just
good girl,
into the anus there and squeeze.
Good girl, good girl.
Both sides.
Good girl.
There you go, good girl.
Good girl.
That's it.
Good girl.
And there's a small amount just come out there and that's it.
Good girl.
If you're in doubt as to whether or not the dog needs its anal gland emptying, it's best to get it checked by a veterinary surgeon and they'll be able to either do it for you or to show you how to do it.